Hello, this is our weekly market alert video for the week ended February 5th, 2021. And as always, thank you for watching. So this is a week that I would think that for many people might be confusing. Okay, so we had terrible news. We had 49,000 new jobs created in the economy when the expectation was over 100,000. So half as many, 50,000 fewer jobs. 400,000 people left the workforce, choosing, essentially saying, I can't find a job, I'm not going to look anymore. And yet the stock market went up. Why is that? Well, as we've been describing for several months now, the market, the investors are hanging their hat on stimulus to bridge the gap until the vaccine gets us back to normal. How long will the vaccine take? I don't think anybody really knows that, probably longer than what we expect. But in the meantime, the momentum towards a large stimulus package has increased. Vice President Harris got her first opportunity to vote in a tie, and she voted for stimulus. So it looks like the big package that President Biden is looking for has a better chance now. And of course, investors and the markets love cheap money, and they love stimulus, and they love all that kind of stuff. And so we believe that's the impetus. So what does it tell us? There's going to be a lot of money in the system, and the more money there is in the system, the more that can drive stock prices, but it also can make it very frothy, and it can make it where we could have a correction at any time. So we still view this as a positive year. We still view this as at the end of this year, we should be higher than we are today. But in the meantime, it could go up very fast, come down because it went up too fast, and this certainly could be the beginning of that. Having said all of that, not for you to worry about, okay? I'm just telling you this so that you kind of have a vision of what we see going forward, but we're not for you to worry about. Let us do the worrying for you. That's our job. And with our invest and protect strategy, if this does turn into a major bear market, which we do not see, then of course our strategy will tell us to get out. We should see that. Now, having said all of that as well, I'll add a second, and that is that should there be a correction, we actually believe that it might be a buying opportunity. So I know that many of you have cash on the sidelines, and I certainly think that if we do get a correction on the way to new highs, it would be a buying opportunity. So something for you to think about. So that's the forecast for a strange week. Bad news, terrible news. Jobs were not anywhere what anybody would want, but yet the market went up, and it was the best we had 5 days in a row of up market. Hasn't happened since last November. So there you go. Bad news is good news. So thank you for watching this video, and we are always very, very thankful that you allow us to be your financial advisor, that you allow us to be your retirement planner, you allow us to help facilitate your second childhood without parental supervision, which is what we want you to have. And we hope you have peace of mind. And our goal always is for your money to last as long as you do. And everything we do is around that. So once again, thank you, and we'll talk soon.